1986 Chevrolet Impala SS here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is the dark cherry metallic, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles at just a little over 24,000 on this one is all. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. Tell this is a well taken care of car. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Be able to see the underside. Definitely check that out, how clean it is. Engine bay, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct aluminum 17-inch wheels, 5.7 liter, 350 underneath the hood, of course. That's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Of course, bucket seats in the 96 with the center console shifter. As we take a look up and down the passenger side of this car, you can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches on the side. I do want to mention in the still pictures, you should be able to see the window tint with the side windows up. So know your local and state laws as far as darkness of the window tint that you can have. The front ones are tinted. There you can see the gray leather interior. I also want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I think I got it in the still pictures, but just a little, I guess, kind of scuffed, if you will, back there. Very minimal. And if I get right up on top of this paint, you really see the reflection in it. It does have a nice shine. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Underside trunk, interior, engine bay. We also have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this car yourself, maybe due to distance or time. Not a problem. Like I said, open door policy for those guys. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Try to represent these cars as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken. Of course, the walk-around video like this. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, you're going to see what this car goes down the road like. Because we'll set the camera up in it, take it for a spin, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. And once again, take a look up and down the driver's side. Also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Couple things I did notice. I don't even know if I can get them to show up, but there might be just a slight etching kind of in the clear. And I don't know if I can get it to show up on this camera or not, but it's right up in this area, and you're going to be looking at it just right. But as you can see, being very fussy, it's nothing that stands out. I did notice just a couple ripples down in the front of the hood. I don't know if that's from closing it, but again, great condition car, clean Carfax, confirmed miles. Now this one does have dual power seats, and you can see exactly how it's equipped from the window sticker. That'll be in the still pictures. But windows, power seats, power windows, mirrors, locks, of course. Seating surfaces, what you'd expect as far as the condition. That kind of miles on it. And they are comfortable. These cars are great going down the road. And let's check out exact miles. There it is, 24,326. No warning indicators, anything like that. TAC is working. It was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Fuel gauge is working. AM, FM, CD player. I've had the radio working.
If nothing sings in you and you can't make music.
Top of the dash. Tell this car was stored indoors, no doubt about that. Headliner. Looks good. slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Got a nice, deep, throaty exhaust note to it. The slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. I'm going to get the hood open for us. We'll check out this engine bay. Alright, underside of the hood nice and tidy. And I can't remember if I mentioned some things that'll come with this. I mentioned the window sticker for checking out the option. The original one will go with this. The owner's manual. There is the wheel lock socket in the glove box. Some miscellaneous receipts. Take a look through the still pictures. You'll see some of the stuff I'm talking about in there as far as the owner's manual and window sticker. Good looking engine bay, nice and clean and tidy. What you'd expect, again, 5.7 liter, 350. Sounds and looks as it should. Stick around to the very end. Remember, we're going to take this car for a little drive. Put the camera in it. 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. Clean Carfax, low miles. Dark cherry metallic. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS with what appears to be low miles, 24,324 on the dash. And it feels that way. This car feels well taken care of and well maintained. An automatic on the center console makes this car very easy to drive. Bucket seats with multi-position power adjustability for the passenger and the driver. Factory radio. Working great. Got the heat on a little bit. Blower motor is working well. Cruise control functioning. All the bells and whistles in this car, and a very comfortable ride. I think these cars may have gained popularity due to their V8 that's sort of shared with the Corvette, and the police force is using these cars. Brakes are working well. This car appears in very good condition inside and out. We have a tachometer on the dash that's also functioning. Our coolant temperature is about 1/8 of the way up the gauge, still warming. Fuel gauge is showing full. Nice acceleration from this car. If I let go of the wheel, it stays straight in the lane. All the details and all the pictures can be found at UniqueClassicCars.com.